Third, to our administrators, most especially Professor Manius Jimenez and Dr. Moses Angeles. Our dear professors, especially Attorney Nicolay Salinas, Professor Justado Herder III, Professor Joseph Imprudente, Professor Esther Quaresma, Professor Joseph Bernardo Reyes, Professor Ray Carangian, Professor Pineda, Professor Lingo, and to all our dear professors who so generously shared us with their vast knowledge. We are so privileged to drink from their fountain of experiences. Not to be forgotten are the different service office staff that have unerringly assisted us in our multifarious school endeavors. Finally, to our dear alma mater, for inculcating in our young minds to become bedons of prayer and work, to live well the Benedictine core values of ora et labora, not only in our thoughts, but also in our actions. San Beda College is not a perfect school. Yet, despite its faults and shortcomings, I still believe it is still one of the best. My fellow Bedans, it's time to share with the world our gifts of person. Begin sharing our God-given talents to our noble nation. For there's no greater country than our beloved Philippines. No greater people than our Filipinos. Let us